All right, guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So check out our new, definitely budget build, stimulus check money. Hey, summer's coming. It'd be fun to have a nice little convertible top-down car. 2010 Ford Mustang. Let's check it out, see what we got. So we got some front end damage. Hood, we're probably gonna replace it. It's aluminum, it's pretty cool, but let's see what's going on inside.
Look at that horsepower, Michael, right there.
Oh,
That's got some power right there.
I mean, it's not a 5.0 or nothing like that, but hey.
It's a budget build,
We're still gonna go cruising. You know, it's more common in a motor, so it's fine, it's not a problem.
So it's got radiator support damage, or?
It doesn't look too bad. Our radiators look okay. Still got fluid in the reservoir tank, so that's a good sign. We'll see if the AC is working. Power steering looks like it's fine too, so it doesn't look like it got in too far. Definitely need a new rebar.
Let's check out the rest of the car.
Yeah, overall it's not that bad.
So I had a little bit of front end damage and a little bit of you think maybe it came from a car show or something, and it like
definitely must have been coming back. Definitely a side swipe, something going on. Fender, gotta replace that. Probably just replace the door.
Does it close still?
I mean the door closes, but it doesn't really open all the way, so I gotta be careful with that. But it's damaged
And it's got a little bit of quarter panel damage.
Yeah, a little bit of Bondo work, but overall it's not too bad. Interior looks kind of rough right now.
It's full of parts. What is going on, Michael? Blown up airbag.
Yeah.
It's a budget build for sure.
But it's gonna look good at the end. I can see potential. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good.
What, any more damage around it?
It looks just kind of worn out, you know, but being 10 years old. But overall, not too bad. We're excited about this build. We're gonna see maybe just paint the whole thing, make it look real fresh, put some rims on it or something like that. It'd be a fun little cruiser for sure.
Well, we gotta get straight to work then.
Yeah, let's take it apart, really see what's going on in the front end, see what parts we need to order, keep going. All right guys, so we got the Mustang inside the shop. Take it apart, see what the damage is, but before we do that, we know that the steering wheel airbag did deploy, so we gotta reset our module, our seat belts, and fix that airbag. So let's go ahead and get that out, and probably send out to get repaired, reprogrammed, and then we can keep digging and see what other parts we need to order, but let's go ahead and figure that out. So the airbag module is actually in the center console. Watching YouTube videos to find it. Honestly, YouTube's great. You don't have to do anything on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get that out. And just like that, here we go. Module's out. Go ahead and work on that seat belt, because we gotta get that rebuilt and sent off. Let's keep going. And just like that, seat belt's off. That's all I really need to do to get reprogrammed and rebuilt. Now we can go ahead and get the fender off, the door, and take apart the front end. See how bad it really is. Step by step. having a little bit of a hard time with this rebar. bolt's kind of hidden in there, that bent back a little bit. So I'm just gonna take and pull that back, and then I'll be able to get that bolt out. Since I have a frame machine, it's gonna be a lot easier. I just put it on there and pull it off. Front rebar looks great. That's all the frame we needed. Let's move on to the bodywork. Ivan did a great job knocking that out. Makes it look easy. Getting closer to paint. And bam, just like that, getting ready to paint, all sanded down. A lot closer, de-trimmed. It's looking good already. Paint this entire car. It's gonna look real clean. Let's get inside. And just like that, the Mustang is painted, looking wonderful. So it's been a couple days. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it together. Front bumper, got a lot of work actually. Rear bumper, tail lights, headlights. Right now I'm taking apart the door panels. This is the old door, taking the wire harness off, swapping it over. Because that was basically the only difference from a convertible and a non-convertible. Just the door, the wire harness, the switch, so that little window could go up and down. So just get that, make sure it works good, and put it together. Let's keep going. I adjusted the hood gap. Looks really nice with the fender. Go ahead and get those headlights on and get that bumper on. Let's keep going. So moving forward, I actually ran into a problem. You know, if you're not doing anything, you usually don't have any problems, but if you're doing stuff, sometimes you run into stuff. That's just part of life. Well, since I got the bumper on, put my hood together, not getting anything to make, I definitely got an issue. Let me show you, show you what's going on. I don't know if you can see it or not, let me show you. Definitely got some gap issues. So apparently the 13 hood does not match up with the 010, 11, and 12 bumper. Looks kind of cool, but it's not going to work. So let's go ahead and get this hood off and get another hood. Wow, that looks really nice. Came out great. Alright, got the interior all cleaned up. It's looking much better. Now I could probably get in it without feeling really disgusted. Turned out pretty clean. I'm happy with it. Not too bad, a lot better than what it was before. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get some different rims on it. Might as well, wait for the hood to dry. Let's get this thing looking good. And there we go, got the right hood, everything matched up very nicely. There she is. Still gotta adjust my gap a little bit, but my hood's still a little wet, so I'll do that later. Not a big deal. Overall, I think it turned out really nice. Got the new rims on there. Looking clean, fun little summer car, top down. Why not? All right, so let's talk about the price, how much we got it for, how much it cost us to fix it. We picked it up for 1,800 bucks, which isn't bad. Like we said, stimulus check money right there, for sure. It wasn't horribly wrecked, but surprisingly parts are kind of expensive on it. We spent about that much for repair. I think we're a little bit less than 4 grand in it at the end, after paint, fender, bumper, headlights, all that fun stuff we had to get. I mean, it's not too bad, about 4 grand, and then you have a nice fun summer car, still got low miles on it. It's driving great, handling good, no check engine light, all the lights are gone, so overall it's pretty nice. Rims cost us about $400. Yeah, I think it's a great little build. It was fun, didn't take too long, except for the hood issue we had, but you know, that's part of the game, that's not a big deal. But thanks for watching, guys, I appreciate it. Stay tuned, we got some more builds coming for sure. Until next time.